This is a short question on mutually exclusive events. This is a probability question. So, which of the following pairs of events are mutually exclusive? So, suppose we have two dice and we want to sum up the numbers that are given by the dice rolls. A is the event that the sum is 10, and B is the event that the sum is 11. Is that mutually exclusive? Well, in that case, yes, it is. You can't get 10 and 11. Okay, so that's a yes. Just to sort of give you a counter example, suppose A is the event that the sum is 10, and let's say B was something different. Let's say that B was one of the numbers rolled was 6. In that case, it would be a no, okay? Because you can have A and B. You can get 4 on one die and 6 on the other. And another example would be, let's say A is the event that the sum is 10. Let's leave that. And B is that the other one of the numbers is 3. That would be mutually exclusive, because if one of the numbers was 3, you can't get 10. There's no the other dice would not have enough of a score to bring the sum up to 10. Okay, so those are just two little sort of other ways of considering this two dice scenario. So anyway, what are we looking at there? Two dice are thrown. A is the event that the sum is 10. B is the event that the sum is 11. Those are mutually exclusive. So here's another one. Hand of 2 cards is dealt. A is the event that the hand includes at least one red card, and B is the event that the hand includes at least one black card. Okay, so let's just actually have this down here. So we 2 cards are dealt, so we can have diamonds or hearts, and clubs and spades. So let's just say I have a red card here and a red card, or I could have a red card and let's get a black here and a black card. Let's just say the ordering isn't particularly important here. Or I can have 2 black cards. Okay. So what does the event A correspond to? At least one red card. Well, that has 1, and that has 1. So this is event A. Let's just sort of put that in there. And B is that the event that has at least one black card. Well, this scenario here has one black card, and the other scenario, the 2 black cards, it's also B. So in this case, there is an overlap. You can have A and B together. So in this case, for the second one, that's a no. Okay. So finally, a student is chosen from a class at random, and the A is the event that the student is female, and B is the event that the student is left-handed. Well, straightforward enough, this one, you could have a left-handed female in the class. And as long as that possibility exists, essentially they're mutually exclusive. So as long as there's, you don't have to, that's pretty easy to assume that, let's say it's a large class that's representative of the overall population. For example, it's not a single-sex school. There's nothing in there to sort of suggest that. So that's another no. Okay, so that's just a little bit about mutually exclusive events. It's quite important to think about what mutually exclusive events are, because some questions can be simplified quite significantly if you consider this event, the matter of mutually exclusive events. Okay, so let's leave this there.